Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So if you want to know about if someone screenshots your Snapchat story and if you want to know about that person, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to simply check for the general. So here you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back and you have to open the app store and you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat. And after updating the Snapchat, you have to simply open the Snapchat app, and after opening, you have to simply go to the profile section, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down. And there are two kinds of stories available. The first one is a private story and the second one is public story. So if you share public story, there are no chances that if someone take a screenshot of your story, then there will be no notification. But if you upload a private story or simple story, then you will get the notification of if someone takes a snaps or a screenshot of your story on your Snapchat account. So if you want to know about that, you have to simply upload the story and check who takes the screenshot on your Snapchat story. Moreover, you can also go to settings, and after that you can ask help from the Snapchat support by clicking on that help center, and after that you can simply get guidelines from the Snapchat support team, and they will connect to you and tell your problem and solve the problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.